And if you compare between Russia and Ukraine and Israel and Palestine, there's a difference of chalk and cheese. The Israelis are much more wrong as compared to what happened between Russia and Ukraine. Because this land belonged to the Palestinians and they were occupiers. Yet today America supports Israel, and this year alone they have funded $3.8 billion only in military equipment to Israel to attack innocent Palestinians and kill 15,000 Palestinians. You see the double standards, and the world has come to know about this. And now we feel that though the heads of states, the heads of countries, of these Western countries are yet supporting Israel, but the masses, leave aside the Muslims, even the non-Muslim masses in America, in UK, there are strong protests in thousands, in tens of thousands, in hundreds of thousands supporting the Palestinian cause. And we can see this